In this little video we are going to see how do we actually plot a pole to this plane. Now we remember that a pole is anything that is at 90 degrees to a specific surface. So what we want to do is we want to plot the position of that pole. So what you can do is you can take this great circle of yours and you rotate it to north-south on your stereonet, and then you count in 90 degrees away from this plane: 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 degrees. That would be the pole to this plane. Well, poles are very important because it actually makes it very easy to manipulate the data, as you would see later. The important thing to remember is that you need to visualize this as a pole to that plane. Therefore, when the poles plot in this direction, it tells you that the rocks are dipping towards that side. If the poles would be here, it would tell you that the planes are situated like that on the stereonet. You also see that the poles will often form a grouping, and when we look at the visual distribution, we can sort of select an average point, as we'll see later on, and we can then reconstruct that to a plane which we can use to figure out some structural information.